In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the rich text block in your design projects. Whether you're working on a website, a digital document, or any other layout that requires text, understanding how to manipulate this tool can significantly enhance your project's visual appeal and readability. Let's get started by first adding the rich text element. You'll need to open up the Add panel on your design interface. You can do this by pressing A on your keyboard, or by simply clicking the plus icon in the panel. Once you're there, find the rich text block and drag it onto your canvas. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for all your text-based content, providing a versatile space to input and style your text as needed. Now that you've added your rich text block, it's time to dive into editing the content. To start typing, all you need to do is double-click the element, or alternatively, you can select it and press Enter. This allows you to jump straight into editing mode without any hassle. As you type, keep in mind the flow and tone of your text to maintain clarity and engagement for your audience. Once you have your text laid out, you may want to format it to add emphasis and hierarchy. While you're editing, you'll notice an inline toolbar that appears. This handy feature allows you to apply various formatting options such as bold, italics, and headings. Using these tools can help your text stand out, highlight key information, and guide your reader's eye through your content in the desired order. Beyond basic text, there's often a need to incorporate additional types of content. As you're editing the rich text block, if you hit Enter, you'll see a plus icon pop up. This icon is your gateway to adding more elements like images, videos, block quotes, and lists. This feature is especially useful when you want to integrate multimedia content that complements your text, adding depth and engagement to your project. Next, we have styling the individual elements within the rich text. Select any particular part you wish to customize, such as a heading or block quote, and head over to the Style panel. Here, you can tweak individual styles to maintain a cohesive look and ensure consistency across your site. It's these subtle touches that often make a big difference in the overall presentation. Lastly, you'll want to style the container itself. To do so, click outside any specific elements within the rich text block to select the main block as a whole. Once selected, the Style panel is your friend again, allowing you to adjust default appearances for all content, like font size, color, and line height. This is great for maintaining uniformity and ensuring that every piece of content aligns with your design aesthetic. And there you have it. By mastering these steps, you can expertly craft beautifully styled text content that enhances your project's narrative and visual appeal. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.